guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a whole house ultimate power hour speed cleaning, all the tags. No, today I'm just cleaning what I like to call the public areas of my house. Upstairs is bedrooms, no one's gonna go there, and my room's already clean. The kids are gonna clean theirs later when they get off school, and so I'm just gonna take care of the public rooms of the house. This is what company usually sees when they come over, and get that all ship-shape beautiful. So yeah, you guys can watch me get my house together, even though it's not really that dirty because my kids are older and, you know, but I like to get it company clean. You know what I mean? Where people come over and they think your house is immaculate all the time. Oh yeah, I keep it this way all the time. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I'm very new at this. I just got a new camera. So yeah, enjoy.
I've broken all my rules that I made for you. I made some boundaries that I cannot respect. And when you show your face the way you always do, then leaves four walls around me I cannot protect. Yeah, it's hard, the time it took to not need me anymore. Life moves by, but I'm still holding on. No, it gets better when you look at the time.
So I used to dread cleaning the microwave. My son likes Hot Pockets, and yeah, it just always gets really gross. But ever since I learned how to clean it a little bit better, I do it more often, and it doesn't get as bad as it used to get. What I do is I put some lemon juice in a bowl, and I stick it in the microwave for 5 minutes and let it basically steam the microwave with lemon juice, and it just wipes right out. It's amazing. Like, hardly any elbow grease is needed.
I play my hand at trying to replace you. My friends tell me that I've got nothing to lose. I pray that I can win this game for two. That's when I know that I will get over you. Oh yeah, it's hard, the time it took to not need me anymore. Life moves by, but I'm still holding on. No, it gets better when you look at the time, but it's something I'll hold for the rest of my life. And just another regret, just another upset. After such a heartbreak, you're just another mistake. Still I think about all that we've done. Can you take me back to when we were young? Back to when we were young. Can you take me back to when we were young? can never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.
I'm finished and everything is clean and it smells good and it's ready for company this weekend. Does anybody else get exhausted when they have company? Because it's like, I want to be the ultimate hostess and clean and cook and la la la, but by the time it's all said and done, I'm exhausted. It's too much work. So here, I'm gonna walk you guys around and show you the end result. Here is the dining room, all spick and span and ready for company. Some chicken and dumplings this weekend, yay. And hallway all clean. The kitchen already clean. I gotta make some banana bread. I got my bananas all browning up for me. Clean stove. And clean living room. I always have to end on a shot of him. He's just so adorable.